Well, viewers, today is the first day of spring, apparently. So, yeah, I'm just going home right now. So, yeah, I'm on my way home. And this is supposed to be the first day of spring. Like, come on, are you serious? Like, holy shit. So, yeah, I'm just going home so I can go to bed. It's like, I don't know what time it is. It's pretty close to like 7:30 in the morning. Look at Ontario Street. Like, out of control. Someone way down there. And there's way down there. And I live all the way down there, viewers. I can't believe this weather. This is sick. I hope I have enough storage to get to my house and show you. I live beside a bush. Literally a bush. But it's so beautiful in the summertime. Holy cow. The laneway. Oh yeah, viewers, it's really snowing right now. Coming up on 2 minutes. Hope I have enough footage. There's my house, viewers. So today's the first day of spring, right? Yeah, that's what they say. Yeah, I live beside a bush. But it's so awesome in the summertime. Go down there, chill out. Yeah. This is my chill. This is my spot. Holy cow, look at my mom's car. Bam, covered in snow. So yeah, viewers. First day of spring. So enjoy. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good spring morning. Good day. Stay awesome.